Hi everyone, so today we're going to be looking at IDLE again. So here we go. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at IDLE again. So I realized that you guys could not see like everything I was doing here last time, so I decided to show again. So basically we're going to be going through some more stuff today, and the same thing that we did last time. So let's start with print. So here if I say print, and then print hi, then it gives me hi like this. Or if I say a is equal to input, so please enter a number. So when I press enter, it gives me this, so I'm just going to put in the random numbers. Then if I say print a, then I get the input I put in, which is just a bunch of 7s and 8s. Then another thing I wanted to show today was basically about the functions here. So as you can see, like in PyCharm, it normally gives like a tiny box underneath what you're typing, like as guesses that what you're like which function or whatever you're trying to call. But here, as you know, it doesn't do that. So here, if I like type something, then I don't get something at the bottom showing like are you trying to write print or input or whatever. So here, if I say like a mistake, then it gives like this error, and then it says did you mean print, because print is not defined, so did you mean print. Or if I do like input, no, not int, input, then did you mean input. Then if I do it without the brackets, like print, then it gives like did you mean print. So it basically like still recognizes even though I didn't put the brackets. Then if I like put it correctly, so if I say input, then built-in function input, so that's basically how it names it, like it's a built-in function, so it says that it's a built-in function. Same goes for print, so it's a built-in function print. Then if I create my own function, I'll call it z. Then if I say print hi, then I'm just going to skip a couple lines here, and then I'm going to run z, so then it prints hi. Then if I say like z here, then it says like function z add this. So this is basically how it refers to like functions that you created, and then this is how it refers to built-in functions. Let's create another function just to see like how if it gives any different other than z. Like you can see this add this number code thing. So if I say def and this time I'm going to put in the alphabet E, print by, then I'm going to call E and it gives me by, then I'm going to say E, and then so basically as you can see it's given an A here instead of an E and a 0 here, so basically like it changed up a bit. Then for example if I make like, okay, so it's giving like an invalid syntax. So basically if I make like an error here saying ZE for example, then it says like did you mean Z, or if I say EE, then it's like did you mean E. So that's basically how it gives like the errors saying did you mean. Then if I use like another function, or if I use like for example int, then it says class int, or str, then class str. So basically this is what IDLE does. So like it says like did you mean this or did you mean that, and then it gives like function at this, or it says like built-in function.